this. He's come back every year, which I'm really surprised at. What I'm going to do, just to make sure we don't get too hard a winter, I'm going to take some nice softwood cuttings and then guarantee that I've got some next year. I'm also growing some of these from seed that have just started to germinate. So to take you to what I need, that's my beautiful plant there that I got from a neighbour about 3 years ago. I've divided it at least 3 or 4 times. I've got these beautiful Gruntech. These are the best. I think they're about £10 these. These are the best little pruning shears and for cutting flowers and taking cuttings. They're just so sharp. The metal's such good quality. They don't bend even when you cut into really strong stuff like bamboo canes. So yeah, nice little safety catch there. So I'd highly recommend these. I don't know what I'd be without these. And then I've got this little Ziploc bag, some water in, and that is just to keep the cuttings fresh. So these are going to be pruned back for winter, but I don't take too much off, because then if there's any frost damage, it just helps them survive a little bit longer. So yeah, let me just get in here. Just take them off quite long, and you can always cut them back. Yeah, as you can see, take quite long shoots. I'll show you how I cut these back down when I get into the greenhouse, but I'll just take some more off that, just so they fit in my Ziploc bag. In there, that way up. Contact with the water. Let's take a few more. It's a nice shoot. Yeah. Definitely recommend taking some of these. Free plants. You cannot go wrong for free plants. I cannot emphasise enough. To a gardener, it's like winning the lottery, getting free plants. Things like these as well, you can put a lot in one pot. But I have got heated propagator. That's in shaking. I've got a heated propagator, which will really help the moisture levels and really help the bottom rooting. And I've got artificial lights as well, some LED T8, T5 batten lights, LED ones. But yeah, as you can see there, really nice selection. Take you through. Yeah, these are nice. Softwood cuttings before the stems get too hard. I've got some hormone rooting powder. I think I'll try one lot with it, one lot without, and let's see what the difference is, shall we? Yeah, they're looking really well. So yeah, if you've got any questions regarding taking cuttings of any type, please don't hesitate to ask. If you like the videos, folks, please subscribe and please click the notify bell. Thank you very much for watching. If you're on Facebook, please follow me. Yeah, happy staying, happy going. Stay safe everybody, and thank you for watching. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be potting up these. These are Penstemon cuttings. Unfortunately, I forgot about these. I've just only discovered them. I took these about 3 days ago. So hopefully they've been in a bag with some water. They feel alright. The leaves still feel nice and firm. So first of all, right, yeah, these are my cuttings. What I'm going to be doing with these, what I'm going to be using. These are my flower snips. I'm going to be using some alcoholic gel rub just to disinfect them, get any bacteria off. And it's stuff to be nice and sterile when you're taking cuttings, so get that. Get it real clean. It may not look the cleanest, but at least it'll be sterile. Just let that evaporate for a minute. Alcohol evaporates very quickly, so that's it, they're dry already. Right, so what I'm going to be using is a mixture of probably 40 compost. Yeah, what I'm using is a 40 perlite and 60 compost. So yeah, this helps get the air in and also retain the moisture, so it's really helpful. So first of all, just want to be filling, get this over here, I want to be filling one of these 9cm pots up, and once it's full to the top, give it a good tap down like so. That's it, that's nice and even. Put that there. Right, with these, you don't need all this. What you need to do, cut back just below leaf node like that, and then get rid of all these bottom leaves. If these are under the ground, they're just going to rot. So get rid of them like so. Don't want anything rotting, do you? Cut these leaves back, just to evaporate, lose moisture, and then just side here like that. That's one done. Turn it around so it's going over the edge. That's one done. And carry on like so. These are softwood cuttings, so it's not like beginning of the year growth that's turned hard. This is newish growth, and I've got a heated propagator, thermostatically controlled, so that I use for these. Just get rid of some more of these. Put that just below the leaf node. Like I said, I don't these take because if they don't, it's my fault. They've been in a bag for 3 days. Anyway, we'll try them and see. But I know there's a good chance I'm taking if I put them straight in. Yeah, just get a few more of these done. Put these back, you know, like 3 or 4 inches long, just below a leaf node, like I showed you before. Just below a leaf node, not just above it. Pull the bottom few leaves off. Trim these leaves back by a third, like so. And into your compost. Right, I'll just get the rest of these done and I'll get back to you. Right, this is the last one for this pot. I've put them all around the edges. Just trim these back at the top by a third, because if you don't do that, there's a lot of moisture through the leaves. So right, this is, I shall just 2 seconds. Yeah, move it over here. I've got this tray here that I use for watering anything, seedlings. Just soak them in there. I've got a heat mat underneath it, so the water's actually quite warm, because you don't want to shock them by putting freezing cold water in. You want it at room temperature really. And then water them from the top. The capillary action. You just need to put a little bit of water on the top. Wash off any compost that's got onto the leaves. This little watering can is great. This little hose one, love it. That's HAWS. It's a kiddies one, but it's perfect for my little greenhouse. You don't want a massive amount of water when you're just doing that. So yeah, leave them to soak until it picks up all the moisture. Right, these have been soaking now, as you can see, a bit of runoff. But all we're going to do now is put them in my little heated propagator. So yeah, here we go. Just in here. I know it's not the best thing in the world, but it does the job. Just get that back. That's it. So yeah, get them in here. Just like so. The light's on 18 hours a day. I've got LED strip lights. Altogether, there's a few hundred watts. There's 4 5-foot ones, batten ones, and the LEDs. I forget the exact wattage, but they're just enough for my ceilings. It's perfect. Everything else is thriving there. Anyway, back to the Penstemons. Once you put them in there, keep an eye on them. Any that start to rot, take out, because they're all not going to root. And yeah, just keep an eye on them, make sure they don't dry out. Get the flap down, and I'm going to have these at 19 degrees, constant. If you've got any questions regarding taking cuttings, don't hesitate to ask. Like the videos, folks, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, stay safe. Welcome back, ladies and gents. Today, I'm inside the heater propagator. Let's just get to the back here. This is what we're looking for. These are my blue Penstemons cuttings. I've sprayed them with powdery mildew, so you can see there, I've sprayed them twice. Seem to put on top of it. So hopefully, when we tip this out, yeah, this looks like some roots at the bottom there, but hopefully I'm going to have a good outcome when these come out of here. I've mixed them with perlite and a peat-based compost. Just let's get this camera set up. Sorry about this, folks. By the way, I hope everybody's keeping safe at the moment, keeping out of harm's way. Right, have a look, shall we? Hopefully, fingers crossed. Yes, that's nice. Look at those, brilliant. This is one of the ones I was really worried about, this one here. But yeah, you can see there, lovely roots. Just pick anything with powdery mildew off. I shall repot these now. So let's see, I'll put anything with powdery mildew, put it to one side, when it out of your greenhouse, when it wrapped up, not in your compost bin, you want it in your normal bin and out of the way. So that's 2. That one's not rooted. 2. Number 3. 3 there. 4, oh, that's not bad. So out of 5, that's 75% success rate. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So yeah, each one of those is a new plant. So right, let's get these potted on. All you need to do then is just round like that, get your compost like so. This one's got a really good root system on this. It's going to make a brilliant plant this for next year. Well, for this year now, sorry. Try and get them centred. Obviously, it would look, don't make any difference if you don't get them centred, but I just think it looks a lot nicer. I shall water these, and then tomorrow I shall spray them again for powdery mildew. You need to keep on top of it. Yeah, if you've got any questions regarding taking cuttings or anything like that, just message me and I'll get straight back to you. I don't mind, I've got nothing better to do. Keeps me busy. But yeah, they do suffer a lot, these with powdery mildew. You just got to check them on it. The top of the leaf can look fine, the leaf can look really, that's when you really notice it. Yeah, another one like that. Yeah, it's a peat-based compost. It's got 6 weeks worth of feed in it, so you shouldn't need to feed for 6 weeks, but I like to give them a little boost, a little tomato feed, really helps them out. But yeah, Penstemon cuttings root really easily. If I'm not sprayed them for powdery mildew though, they would not have rooted at all. I've dropped one. Yeah, 5 there. They would not have rooted at all if I had not sprayed them, so they just rotted. But once they're done, just give them a quick water. Give them a really good water in, like so. You really want to put them, stand them in some water then for a good half an hour. Let them absorb everything. Clean all the compost off the leaves. Let them dry, and I shall spray them for powdery mildew tomorrow. And I shall keep on top of that this year with these. But yeah, out one plant I've got 5, so I'm really happy. So that's how to take Penstemon cuttings. If you like my videos, please subscribe, folks. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please keep yourself safe. And yeah, click the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.